Hello guys, for today's video, magkukuking tayo with vegetables na walang saw guys. We have broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, mushrooms, yan guys, and potato, carrots, and we have green bell pepper, we have the spring onion, yan, mag-isa na tayo. Meron pa tayong repolyo. The cabbage. Ating cabbage is purple yung cabbage natin. Ayan guys, mag-prepare. Hindi. Put na our two fresh tomato. Ayan. Fresh tomato. So, yummy. And guys, ilagay naman natin yung ating vegetables. See? Mix yan. Ayan. Ating vegetables. So, yummy. Ayan. Next guys, we put natin black pepper. Ayan. Our pampasarap. And we put our green bell pepper at spring onions. Yummy na siya guys. Ayan. Takpan natin uli. Guys, we'll open na. Ayun na yung ating gulay. We put now our cabbage. See, colorful ng ating gulay. Ginisa lang natin yan guys. Yummy. Now we put little bit of water. Lagyan ito ng konting water. Yan. Then you put pampalasa guys ng ating ano. So yummy ito. Yan na yung ating gulay. See? Mix na yung ating gulay guys. Put little pinch of salt. Ayan na yun yung ating gulay. So yummy. Tikman na natin. Sarap. Guys, i-close na natin. Tapos na. Thank you for watching. Ayan, takpan. Wow, sarap. Luto na siya, guys. Ating gulay, luto na siya. Kasi may potato. Kompleto to siya. May potato, carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, green bell pepper, onion, garlic. Ating mushroom. May mushroom pa tayo, guys. Oh. Yan na guys. Prepare na kami, kakain na kami. Thank you for watching. That's what our today's videos guys. Like and share. Thank you. It's a healthy vegetables guys. It is only half cooked. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.